Good morning and welcome to my official TikTok channel for language. I'm your host Kamran, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you something about the conditional sentences. My dear viewers, if you really wanna improve your bands in IELTS, in your writing tasks or in your speaking module, please go for conditionals, because one of the band descriptor is grammatical range and accuracy. And in that one, the examiner is looking for the conditionals. If you are using that complex structure of conditionals, be sure that you will get a very good band. You're gonna get a very good band in your writing and in your speaking as well. Now, the question is, what are conditionals? My dear viewers, conditionals are sentences which have two parts, one condition and one result. So the condition part is usually called as if clause because it usually starts with if. If you invite me, if you work hard, if you buy a car, if you go to the party. So they usually start with if. That is the condition. That is the condition if. The second part is the result part. So in the result part, you will give the consequences of the condition. And the condition, you can see the first clause, the conditional clause is the dependent clause, while the result clause is the independent clause. So dependent clause and the independent clause together form the conditional sentences. So my dear viewers, let me tell you, in conditional sentences, there are 4 different types of conditional sentences. Number 1, zero conditional. Number 2, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Let's start with the first conditional, that is zero conditional sentences. We use zero conditional sentences usually for the facts, for the truth, for the universal truth, or the things which are true. And the condition is 100% fulfilled in zero conditional sentences. The important thing, the difference between all these types of conditional sentences is only of the structure. If you see the structure of the zero conditional, it has the first part in the if clause, you have simple present. In the result clause, you have simple present. For example, if you heat water, it boils. Simple present, if you heat water, it boils. So this is called the zero conditional. When we are talking about the first conditional sentence, so the first part is simple present, the second part is simple future. If you invite me, I'll come. If you work hard, you will pass. So you can see, if you invite me, simple present, I will come. This is simple future. So in the first conditional, the first part is simple present, the second part is simple future. If you work hard, you will pass. First part, simple present. If you work hard. Second part, simple future. You will pass. Now move towards the second conditional. In the second conditional, they are also called as hypothetical sentences as well. Unrealistic sentences for present or for future. It means that it can never happen. So in the first part of the second conditional, we have simple past. In the second part, we have would plus base form of the verb. For example, if you invited me, I would come. It means you did not invite me. I did not come. If you worked hard, you would pass. It means you did not work hard, so you did not pass. Then come towards the third conditional. My dear viewers, in the third conditional, it is also hypothetical. It's also unrealistic, but for the past. So in the first part of the third conditional, we use past perfect, past perfect with had. While in the second part, we use would, could, should plus have. Would have, should have, could have. For example, if you had worked hard, you would have passed. It means that you did not work hard, you did not pass in the past. So if you had worked hard, you would pass. If you had invited me, I would have come. So in this way, you can do the third conditional. I'm sure that you have got the idea about the conditional. They are very nice structures, Please go for these structures in your speaking module, go for these structures in your writing module. I'm 100% sure when you will do these structures in your writing, you will get a very good band in IELTS. So stay tuned with me. Have a nice day.